This video lecture explains the concept of attributes in HTML programming. Attributes provide additional information about an HTML element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag of an HTML element. All the HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes define the properties of an HTML element. Attributes have two parameters. They are name and value. Attributes are represented as name equal to starting double quote, value closing double quote. The name represents the property to be defined for an HTML element. The value represents the value of the property. The value should always be enclosed in double quotes. More than one attribute can be defined in an HTML element. In this case, a space must be left between two successive attributes. Let us observe the demonstration of the creation of an HTML document using Notepad editor and then opening the HTML document in a browser as a web page. To invoke a Notepad editor in the Windows 10, we have to click Start, scroll down the list of applications and open the Windows Accessories folder. There we will find the Notepad shortcut. We have to click the Notepad shortcut, then the Notepad window appears by opening a blank document. After that, we can type the HTML code inside the Notepad text editor's blank file. The typed HTML document starts with an opening tag HTML and ends with a /HTML closing tag. The head element starts with an opening tag head and ends with /head closing tag. The head element consists of a title element. The title element starts with an opening tag title and ends with a /title closing tag. The title element has the content as example code for the use of attributes. This content will be displayed in the browser's title bar of the web page. The body element starts with an opening tag body and ends with /body closing tag. The body element consists of three P elements. Each P element starts with an opening tag P and ends with /P closing tag. The P element defines a paragraph. Each P element is consisting of align attribute with values left, center and right in their opening tags. To save HTML code using Notepad text editor, you need to select the file menu from the top navigation bar. Select Save option from there. After that, Windows Explorer will pop up on your screen. Here you have to choose a location for your HTML file. Give your HTML file name with .html extension and click Save button to save your HTML file. Find the HTML file that is created and saved just now. Right click on it and choose Open With from the menu. You will see a list of browsers that you can use to open your HTML document. Choose a browser. When the HTML document is opened using a browser, we can see from the web page that the three paragraph sentences aligned with left, center and right on the web page respectively. To summarize, attributes provide additional information about an HTML element. Attributes define the properties of an HTML element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag of an HTML element. Attributes are represented as name equal to starting double quote, value closing double quote. Thank you.